Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 23 of Nailmas. Today actually has a theme and it is holiday tradition. So I decided to do something super simple that you could do with any color combo for the upcoming few days if you want a last minute manicure, plus it goes along with my holiday tradition. So today's nails were inspired by last year's holiday pajamas. Every year we each get to open one present on Christmas Eve, which contains new PJs. They don't always match between my siblings and I. Actually, they've never matched. But then we all have fresh new PJs to wake up in on Christmas morning. So that is kind of our tradition, which is why I wanted to do some nails inspired by last year's PJs. And my PJs last year were marsala, and then the shorts were like a really soft texture, had cute ruffles, and like a few different shades of a marsala slash pink dot pattern. So that's what I wanted to do for this design. So I've started off with a marsala shade in the background, and this one was a painted Phalanges polish called That's My Spot. And now I am using another painted Phalanges for these light pink dots, and this one is called Selectively Social. This is actually a sneak peek at the January polish pickup polish for painted Phalanges that I've not posted yet, so there's that. That video is coming soon. I already have it scheduled, I just don't remember the date. And then the next color that I'm going to dot all over is a Zoya called My. And this one was a recent release. I don't recall if it was the fall or if it was the winter, but it was one of those two. And I just did these sporadic because that's kind of how the pattern was on the shorts. And then I topped it with a shiny top coat, and that was it for this manicure. Something super simple and easy, but really fun. And you could do this in any color combination that you wanted to wear over the next so many days. That would be perfect for the holidays. So that is it for day 23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I will see you back here for day 24 tomorrow. Bye!